Welcome back. This video I am going to show you how to empty trash on Android phone and free up your storage. Let's jump right in. First of all, open the settings page on your phone. After that, scroll down to the page, find the device care option, click on them. Then scroll down again, look for the storage option, tap on it. After this page is open, scroll all the way to the very bottom, find the trash or recycle bin option. Once you found them, click on them. Here you can see all of the items listed there. Now simply first open the My Files option, then click on the three dots more icon in the top right corner. After that, select empty. Then confirm by tapping delete. Then back to the previous page, and here you can see your trash folder successfully cleared. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Also share it with your friends.